Hey, what's up guys, Gman-crypto. If your technical analysis looks anything like this, then have no fear, you're in the right place. In this Tradingview tutorial, I will be covering how to set up your favorites. Number two, we'll be looking at how to create different templates to assist you with your TA. And then number three, we'll be looking at the object tree. How to create folders within the object tree to eliminate all this confusion. So with that being said, let's hop into Tradingview for some tips and tricks. Let's go. So now that you have a Tradingview account, let's hop into the charts to show you how to select your favorite indicators and add favorites to your technical tools. If you do not have a Tradingview account, link in the description below and sign up for a free account. So let's go into the charts. On your left hand side, you will see a tab with all the tools required for your TA. So it will have the trend line, the arrows, the horizontal lines, and parallel channels. Further down, you'll have your Fibonacci retracements, your tools, all the speed fans, whatever you require for your TA. And we have a brush, circles, paths, triangles. And those are all the tools we'll use on the left-hand side. But in order to make them your favorites, all you have to do is open the tab and click on the star on the right-hand side. Once you click on the star on the right-hand side, Tradingview will automatically create a shortcut tab for you that you can use on your charts. So let's add another shortcut. So let's say we like the horizontal line as well for your TA. Maybe you're somebody who uses the long and short position tool. And maybe you'd like to use the rectangle as well for your TA. So there, a shortcut tool has been created for your technical analysis. So all you need to do is just take one of those tools that you created and then follow with your analysis. For argument's sake, the horizontal line is done for you as well. So if you're looking to take a short position, so once your favorites are created, you will no longer need to search in this tab for the tools that you require. And if you'd like to remove this shortcut menu, all you have to do is go back into those tabs and unclick or delete the star. Once the star is deleted, you will see that it will automatically start disappearing. To take that off your charts. All right. With regards to indicators, for this example, to apply indicator as your favorite, we can go into our technicals. Here we'll find all the indicators required: indicators, strategies, volume profile, chart patterns, candlestick patterns. So in here, for this example, I'll be using the RSI. As you can see, relative strength index. And to add that to your favorite as well, simply click on the star. So in future, if you're searching for the RSI again, you can just go into indicators. It will be now in your favorites and not under technicals. And there we have it, relative strength index. Let me just change this to the default settings. I know a lot of you guys, when you apply that to your chart, it will be on the default settings as it is. So for me, I personally don't like the settings, so I will change it. So I like my RSI to be yellow, and I like it to be much thicker. The RSI based MA, I use that as well, so I'll change that to another color. I personally don't like the background as I find it too busy, so I remove that. And then in my inputs, I'm leaving my RSI as 14. My SMA, that I've changed to 50 based on my strategy. And once that is set, I would then save as default. Once you save it as default, every time you pull out the RSI, you will not have to change those settings anymore, as it will be defaulted as your settings. So that's how we like to add that to our favorites as well. Now I'd like to cover how to create a template based on your analysis. So moving over to the daily chart. So I like to use the horizontal tool for my support and resistances. So I would go with the support. In order for me to create a template for this, all you need to do is go into your settings, and then you could name it daily. So you can change whichever color you like. The text alignment is the top. If you place it in the middle, you will see it moves down to the middle. Bottom simply just means at the bottom of it, of your horizontal line. I like it to be on top. The text alignment here, if you put it center, it moves to the center of your line and right to the right of your line. Me personally, I like it on the left, as I don't like anything to get involved with my chart or conflict with my chart. And then all you need to do is press OK. Once that is set the way you like it, you simply need to go to your template tab, click on it, and save drawing as, let's call it daily example. So once that is set, all you need to do is press save. So if you take another horizontal line and place your resistance, go into your templates, and there is your daily example. And then the same would apply if you're going on the weekly chart. So now you take your horizontal line again, map out your weekly. So that's the weekly there. So just to run through it again, once you've got your horizontal line in place, you go into your settings and then choose the color that you're comfortable with. So let's go with a different color this time. Let's go with green. And we'll call it weekly example. Once that is done, you press OK. Go back into your templates and then save drawing template as weekly example. And then press save. So now you take another horizontal line to find your weekly resistance. All you need to do is go into your templates and choose template saved. So that is the way you can distinguish the difference between your horizontal lines with regards to weekly or daily support and resistance. So to create another template, if you, for example, are using the Fibonacci's and you're mapping out on your chart, with my example, I only have the golden pocket. The reason for that is because I've created templates for each type of fibs that I like to apply to the chart. So here I have retracement values, and here I have my retracement percentages. So in order for you to create these templates, it has the same process as your daily and weekly templates. So let me show you that. Taking off Fibonacci retracement tool. You map it out. Once it's like that, you have to go to your settings and change the settings to your specification. So I've done mine already. All you need to do is go back to templates and save drawing template as example and press save. So now every time you need the Fibs for your analysis and you want to use a specific template and choose your Fibonacci that you would like to use on your analysis. So there I've got my retracement. I have my expansion. And let's say I would like to see what fibs I need to, for my example, it will automatically change it back to the original. So now let's hop onto the object tree, where I'll be showing you how to group your analysis based on different time frames. In the left-hand corner, at the right at the bottom, you'll see these pages or files. Click on there to open your object tree. You will see that we have the horizontal line here. So all you need to do is click on the eye icon to see which one it is. As you can see by this example, it is my weekly resistance. In order to create a file, you could just right click on it and say create group of drawings. A group will pop up on your screen. Right click on that and rename, let's call it weekly example. So once I've got that in place, I'll check the others as well. So this one is my weekly as well. So all I need to do is drag this into that folder. And that will become my weekly analysis for support and resistance. So if I close it now, and because it's now in one file, by clicking on the eye icon, both will disappear. And there we go again, it will reappear. So we know that these two horizontal lines are now my daily support and resistance. So all I'll do again is right click, create group folder, right click again, and rename to daily. So enter. I know that this is also my daily horizontal line, so I'll drag that into that folder. And there we go. Now we have all our analysis grouped into specific time frames. So let's say you're doing your analysis on the 1 hour. And now you'd like to see what your daily is or your weekly. All you need to do is in your object tree, just go into your chart, and now you can just open the weekly example. Or if you would like to see both, you open up your daily. And that is how you can use the object tree to group this analysis together, not to have too much on your charts and to keep them clean. So there's a lot of things you can do with the object tree. If you had a rectangle based on that resistance that we're seeing a projection from, all you need to, you can rename this as well. And you could call this, rename this one as 1 hour resistance zone. Enter. So now that we know that's in the 1 hour resistance zone. So we could put this in a folder as well. So now you have your resistance zone, diagonal support as well on the 1 hourly. Now, based on your hourly analysis, you'd like to group these two together as well. The same would apply. All you do is right click on the trend line, create group drawings, change that group to, let's call it 1 hour analysis. Enter. So now that we know that this was based on our 1 hourly, we can simply just drag this into our 1 hour analysis. So if we want to hide that, we simply click on the eye icon and it's removed from your chart. Based on the 15 minutes, whatever your analysis may be, so you've decided that this is another zone and that is another zone there. That's your support and resistance zone based on the 15 minute. So all you need to do again is create another group folder, right click and rename. So we can call it 15-minute TA. Drag that into that folder as well. And there we have it. So now, based on the object tree, if you want to remove your daily resistance or leave it there for your analysis, but all you need to do, just click on the eye icon and it will remove all your analysis that you have available. If you've gone for 5 minutes, then you could use your analysis as well based on the 5 minutes. So that is how I would use the object tree with regards to my TA. Another cool feature in your watch list, I currently have all the pairs listed in my watch list, but if you would like to create a section for whatever reasons, let's say you want to open a section for open positions, simply click on there, right click on the pair and select add section. Once you select the add section, a section would pop up like that. You can simply rename that. Let's call it open positions. So if you like to add anything to your open positions, you simply just drag a pair into it. So now when you're looking at the charts or you want to see what's happening with the open positions, what is happening with the trades based on price or percentages. This was just a short tutorial on tips and tricks that I use for my charting and TA. Hope you guys could use it and apply it to your charts as well. So if there's anything else you'd like me to cover with regards to Tradingview or trading, please hook me up in our Discord. With that being said, please comment below with regards to anything you'd like to know about Tradingview or anything regarding trading. If you want to become part of the #1 crypto community in the world, link in the description below. Check Crypto University if you would like to become an investor, trader, if you're interested in gaming, if you're interested in NFTs. So everything under the sun with regards to crypto is covered by Crypto University. So guys, don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Gman-crypto signing out. Peace.